Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you how to update payment method on YouTube TV. So let's get started. So here we are in YouTube TV, and the first thing that we would need to do is click on our profile on the top right of our screen, and then from here, once it loads, you can click on settings. So from here in the settings is that we would need to click on billing right here so that we can update our billing right here, and click on the update button right here on the right of our screen. Click on update right there, and now it would be redirecting us to the payment.google page. So from here you would need to verify that it's you first, and now once you have successfully verified that it's you, I think it would be the number associated to your Google account, or maybe some other devices that is connected to your Google account, or other verification methods that you have. So once you have done that, all you have to do is click on manage on YouTube TV, and you can see your billing method right here. Click on manage, and from here you can just change your payment method, just like clicking on this one right here. And then from here you can update backup payment method, you can change this, you can expand this one, you can click on add credit or debit card right here. And this is basically how you can update your payment method. So when you click on that, all you have to do is provide your card details and click on submit, and after that it should be good right here. Or maybe in some cases it would need to verify is maybe send something to you and refund it once again. So yeah, this is basically how you do it right here on YouTube TV. Thank you for watching.